Hi there, meteorologist Marielle Brubiz with a look at your weather update, radar update for you as a cold front continues to work its way through North Texas, moving from north to south, and right along it is where we're seeing those thunderstorms develop and eventually get pushed towards the south. We did see a decent downpour in downtown Dallas, but that downpour has now transitioned to moderate to light rainfall, just some sprinkles left over. Meanwhile, Wise, Denton, Collin County rain-free and will remain rain-free for the afternoon. We're seeing some moderate to heavy rainfall from Canton towards Kaufman County, along Highway 175 towards Gun Barrel City, seeing pockets of heavy rain and some lightning. No severe weather expected with any thunderstorm this afternoon. I'm expecting 20 to 30 mile per hour wind gusts across the region. Meanwhile, rain continues for areas of Palo Pinto, Parker County towards Hood County. We're also seeing it near Eastland as well. A couple of lightning strikes there. A lot of the intensity has lowered with these storms, and that'll continue to happen as these storms push towards the south along that front. Now, behind the front, we're looking at cooler air, and we're looking at an atmosphere that's been overworked. So the potential for redevelopment of any thunderstorms is really low, and that's exactly what this computer model is showing. I'm taking you through noon, 2 in the afternoon now. And we're seeing a lot of that rain lower in intensity and this line kind of breaking up a bit. I'm still keeping about 30% coverage of rain in the forecast through the afternoon, mainly for areas south of the Metroplex. I'm showing you around 5 in the afternoon now. You see a couple of those showers and thunderstorms. These storms will eventually kind of fizzle out and push towards the south. Now, any thunderstorm that develops this afternoon south of the Metroplex, that's where we could see the potential for an isolated storm that contains wind gusts of about 60 miles per hour. A very low end threat for that, though, a 1 out of 5 on the severe weather outlook scale. Again, this is not something that we're expecting. This is a really low risk. What I am expecting is the heat to really crank up for the rest of us. Even with that front today, I do think that a lot of us will still feel some of those high heat index values, which is why we have a WFA weather alert day until 7 p.m. for that dangerous heat that we've seen all week long. The high humidity, because the rain did help contribute to that in some spots. It's going to lead to high heat index values over 100. You want to limit your time outside, hydrate properly, wear SPF, and always check the back seat. Now, the heat advisory is still technically in place for the eastern half of North Texas until 7 this evening for a heat index of 105 or higher. And yes, DFW is included in that. Although I do think that some locations will see those temperatures struggle to reach the 90s. I'm mainly talking about areas west of DFW. Mid to upper 90s still possible for the Metroplex and areas east of DFW as well. Now, the areas that didn't see the rain are areas that are clearing out before 1 or 2 in the afternoon. The heat index still likely to make it in the triple digits this afternoon just because of the abundant sunshine and, of course, the humidity that's left over. Temperatures will drop after today thanks to today's front. 94 degrees on Thursday, 95 on Friday, and then they'll start to climb a little bit over the weekend. 96 on Saturday, 97 Sunday, with the heat index in the triple digits on any given afternoon. Now, next week, we're looking at a stronger cold front. Yes, 2 fronts on the same 14-day, one today. That's mild with our temperatures, but a stronger cold front early next week that'll help drop our highs into the low 90s. It'll also bring us our next round of rain early next week and potentially highs in the upper 80s next Wednesday. Now, if this holds true through the end of the month, that means we've only picked up a couple of triple-digit heat days and temperatures are staying cooler than what's normal for this time of the month. Labor Day weekend looking mostly rain-free, highs in the mid-90s with high humidity.